Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we will learn about polynomials. Of the subchapter is dividing polynomials with Ms. Rara. So for dividing polynomials, these materials will be for two meetings, everyone. So without further ado, so what's the content that we should learn? Okay, the first content is about dividing by a polynomial by a monomial, and then the second about dividing by two polynomial, and then the third about synthetic division, or we can say Horner methods. And then the number four, we will learn about finding the remainder, and then the last is finding the remainder of the division x power n plus a. So without further ado, so let's jump to what is the dividing by a polynomial by a monomial. When we divide a polynomial by a monomial of lower degree, we divide each term of the polynomial by that monomial. Example, number one. From here, we can see of the 4x squared minus 6x plus 5 divided by 2. So, from here, we can see they have divided each term, everyone. So, we should divide each term, and then we will get 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 over 2. And then 12x power 3 over x, it's equal with the 12x squared. And then the last is about 5x power 5 minus 3x power 4 plus 4x power 3 over x squared. It's, you need to remember, you need to divide them each term. So this one, each term divided each term, and then they will be have the results 5x power 3 minus 3x power 3 plus 4x. So now let's jump to the number 2. The number 2 is about dividing by two polynomial. Definition, question of two polynomial. Let px and dx be two polynomial such that degree px more than equal degree dx more than equal 1. So if there exists kx and rx such that px equal with the dx times kx plus rx, where the degree rx less than degree dx, then we have the formula like this one, px, dx, kx, rx, where the px is called dividend, where the dx is called divisor, where the kx is called the quotient, where the rx is called remainder. So here, where is the note? The first note is dividend. Dividend is yang dibagi. Divisor, pembagi. And then quotient is hasil bagi, and then the remainder is the sisa. So from here, you need to have another note. If the rx equals 0, then we say that px is divisible by dx, and px equal with the dx times kx. And then another note, when you are dividing polynomial, make sure that the terms of the dividend and the divisor are in standard form. So when you have the equation that the form is not standard, you should make sure change to be standard form. So without further ado, so let's jump to the example.
Example of dividing polynomial number 1. Divide 2x squared minus x minus 6 by x minus 2. So everyone, we already know the position about the px divided by dx. They will have the result kx, and then you need to make this minus, and then have the remainder. So this is the first way. So we have two ways. So it's maybe you will make it who's the easier. Okay, let we follow this one first. Okay, so for this one, remember that you need check if this polynomial have standard form, because this one is have the standard form. So we can continue to this one. So 2x squared minus x minus 6 divided by x minus 2, and then so from here we should divide the 2x squared minus 6 minus m between this one. So this result have to be 2x, right? So 2x times this one, they will be have the result to be let me write this one first. 2x squared minus x minus 6. So you need to time this one. So this one is to be 2x squared minus 4x, and then you will get the minus. So you will get the result 3x minus 6, right? So after 3x minus 6, you will divide again with the x minus 2. Okay, and then you should think what's the value of 3x minus 6 divided the x minus 2. So this result is 3, right? And then you need multiply them, so you will get the value 3x minus 6 times this one. So this one is 3x minus 6, and then you need to less each other, so this result is 0. Okay, so this result is 0, so that's the meaning. So we can see, okay, this one is let me write again, 2x plus 3. This is the first way. Okay, so here we have the equation x, and then we here have the remainder is 0. So this is the way from the jambak. But for the second way, I think for the second way is easier. So you can choose what the way you want to use. So you just make this one. You need to put the px inside 2x squared minus x minus 6. And then you need to put the divisor in here, x minus 2. And then you need to think what's the times to make this px is 0. So you need to times 2x times x. So it's equal to x squared minus 4x. So you need to subtract each other. So this result is 3x minus 6. You need to think what's the value to times this x minus 2 to get this result. So this one is yes plus 3. So this one is equal 3x minus 6, everyone, right? So here this result is 0. So I can show you it. This is yes, this is question x, and then this is remainder x. So I think for me, I can say the second way is more easier, but it's okay for you to using the what's the name, the jambak's way. So here let me write. So I can write, so 2x squared minus x minus 6 is equal with the x minus 2, and then times with the 2x plus 3 plus 0. So I can write in here is remainder x, in here is the question x, in here is divisor x, and then this one is dividend x. So I hope you understand. So for the next example, I will using just the second way. Without further ado, so let's jump to the next example. Number 2, divide 6x power 3 minus 9x squared plus 12x minus 7 by 2x minus 3. So here, actually, you can using the first way or second way, but for me, it's easier to using the second way because just make it easy to use the second way, right? Second way. Okay. In second way, you need to put the px, which is the px should be have in standard form. So 6x power 3 minus 9x squared plus 12x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 3. So you need to think what's the time you should time with the 2x minus 3 to make it this value is n. So this one is 3x squared, everyone. So you need to time again with this one. So this reason is 6x power 3 minus 9x squared. So you need to minus each term, 6x, 0. This one is 0, so this is left 12x minus 7. In here, you need to think again, what's the value you need to times by with 2x minus 3 to make this result is 0 or not variable left. So you need to multiply them with the 6. So this one 6, 12x minus 18. So this one is minus. So this result is 11. So from here we have the quotient x and we have here the remainder x. So I can write to be, remember the formula is px equal divisor x times key x plus rx. So for px is 6x power 3 minus 9x squared plus 12x minus 7, and the divisor is 2x minus 3 times with the 3x squared plus 6 plus 11. So I can write this one, it's saying this divisor, this one is the quotient, and this one is remainder. I hope you understand. So you can choose the first way or the second way, what you like. Okay, so next let's jump to the another example. Number 3, divide 2x squared plus 4x power 4 minus 3 by 2x squared plus x. Remember that px, it should be in standard form, everyone. Okay, so I can write here px in standard form is the first term is 4x power 4, and then the second term is 2x power 2 and then minus 3, and then the divisor is 2x squared plus x. So you can using the second way. The second way is, so 4x power 4 plus 2x power 2 minus 3 divided by 2x squared plus x. Because here you need to think what's the times, what you need to times between these to get the value for x power 4. So this one is put 2x power 2, and then this result to be 4x power 4 plus 2x power 3, and then you need to subtract them, and then you will get the minus 2x power 3 plus 2x power 2 and then minus 3, right? Okay, so here you need to think again what's the, you need to multiply with, and then 2x squared plus x. So this one is minus x. So this one to be minus 2x power 3 and then minus x squared. So you need to subtract again. So this value is 3x squared minus 3. And then you need to put here plus 3. Oh, sorry, not plus 3, but you need to make this value 0, right? So you need to put the times 3 over 2. 3 times over 2, so you will get the 3x power 2 plus 3 over 2x. Okay, so this one, you will get the value of minus 3x squared, and then you will get the value minus 3 over 2x minus 3. Okay, everyone, let me check. Did I do something wrong? Minus 2x squared power 3 and then minus x squared, and then this one, yeah, there's okay, this is, there is wrong here. Let me clear this one first. Okay, so it should be okay, wait, let me clear this ones too. This one, it should be 3x squared minus 3, and then you need to multiply them, and then you need to think what's the value here. 3 over 2 is to be, have the result is 3x squared plus 3 over 2x. Yeah, I think Yeah, this result is minus 3 over 2x minus 3. So this is the equation x, and then this is the, yeah, this is the remainder x. Okay. So you can write to be px equal with the dx times with the equation x plus rx. You can put the each value here. Okay. So everyone, I hope you understand. So now let's jump to the another slide. Now we're talking about synthetic division, or another name, Horner's method. So it's easier to remember this way is Horner method. Synthetic division is a shorthand method of polynomial division in the special case of dividing by a linear factor. Synthetic division only works in this case, and synthetic division is generally used for finding roots of polynomial. Okay, for the synthetic division, or Horner method is divided by two. The first a dividing by x minus c, and then the second is dividing by ex plus b. So without further ado, so let's jump to dividing by x minus c. For dividing by x minus c, we have example. Divide 2x power 4 minus x power 3 plus 5x power 2 minus 3 by x minus 3. So remember, in synthetic division or Horner method, this is using to find the linear or divided by linear. So you can see from here, x minus 3 you need to make equal with the 0, because they say x minus 3 is the factor of these polynomials. So we can write x equal 3. And then the step 1, write the terms of the polynomial in standard form. In standard form is that the meaning is from the descending order of the degree. So from here we can see the equation from the 2x power 4 is already descending order of the degree. So we just need to write their coefficient. Okay, the coefficient is 2, minus 1, 5, 0, minus 3. Even in this equation, there doesn't have the x power 1. So you just need to put 0, because they should put the descending order, even they doesn't have the variables x with the power. Okay, and then the step 2, you need bring the first coefficient down and then multiply by 3. So you need to put the 2 in down, and then you need multiply by 3. And then when you put like this one, you need multiply them, and then 3 multiply 2 is get the 6. You need addition between minus 1 plus 6, and then you will write the result below on the line. So this one it's be like this: 3, 2, 6 minus 1 plus 6 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And then the result 20. 3 times 20 is equal with 60. And then 0 plus 60 is 3 times 60 is 180. So you need adding this one to be 177. So 177 is remainder, and then the equation is 2, 5, 20, and the 60. But you need to make descending order of the degree. So in here, this is x power 3, x power 2, x, and then 1. So we can get the equation is 2x power 3 plus 5x power 2 plus 20x plus 60, and the remainder is 177. Okay, so now let's move to jump the another dividing. After that, we will talking about the example. So for the number b is dividing by ex plus b. In this case, after performing like the before, you need to divide the coefficient of the equation by the leading coefficient of the divisor. So when you have the result, you need to divide by the leading coefficient about the divisor. Okay, this is the example. Divide px equals 6x power 3 plus 13x power 2 minus x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 using synthetic division or Horner method. So this is the way you get the you will, as always, you make the divisor equal 0, so you will get the x equal minus half. And then you need to remember, when you want to put this one in the step 1, you need to make the descending of the degree. Okay, so the 6, 16 minus 1 and 1, and then you put the first 6 down, you need multiply them, and then you will get 6, 10 minus 6, and then you will get the remainder. But because the divisor have the in the front of the variable x have the coefficient is 2, you need divide all the quotient divide by 2. So you will get the equation is 3x power 2 plus 5x minus 3 plus 4. So without further ado, so let's jump to the another example. Example number 4, divide px equal 8x power 5 minus 6x power 4 plus 4x squared plus 6 by each divisor. A x plus 2, b 2x minus 1. Remember that this one you should using, not you should using, but this way we are talking in synthetic division, so we will using the synthetic division. Is it okay if you using the another way? Yes, of course, because they are not talking the specific way. But here, let me try to answer with the synthetic division or Horner method. Remember, in the synthetic division or Horner method, you need to put the px or dividend is descending of the degree. Okay, this one is the highest degree 8, and then minus 6, and then as you see from here, they doesn't have x power 3, right? So you need to put 0, and then they have x power 2 is 4, and then as you see again, they doesn't have x power 1, so you just put the 0, and then the constant 6, okay? And then you need to put x plus 2 equal 0, and then x equal minus 2. Remember that in the Horner way, they are using plus addition. Okay, you need to put this one first, 8, you need to multiply them. Minus 2 times x is minus 16. Minus 16 plus minus 6 is minus 22, right? Minus 22 times minus 2 is equal with the 44, right? 44, 22 times 2, 44. And then this one is 44. 44 times this one, minus 88. This one is minus 84. You need multiply again. See, this one is 160x. 168, I mean, not 164. 168. And then you need addition again, 160x times this one. So this one is minus 336, right? 168, 16, 13, yeah. 200, 330x, yeah. 363x, and then you need to plus them, and then you will have the result is minus 330. So 330 is, we can say, they have the remainder. So this is the question. Remember that in question you need to putting x power 0 for here, x power 1, from here x power 2, this one x power 3, this one is x power 4. So you can write qx or question x is 8x power 4 minus 22x power 3 plus 44x power 2 minus 84x plus 168. The minus plus sign is come from here. Okay, everyone? I hope you understand. So now, let's jump to the number b. The number b is the same, but the asking is divided by 2x minus 1. Remember again, when you want to try this, answer this question, you need to look again what's the dividend. Dividend, it should be descending of the order. Minus 8 minus 6 is 0 because x power 3 doesn't here, and then is plus, and then 1 is 0, 6. So this one is 2x minus 1 equals 0. 2x equal 1, so x equal half. Okay, so this one is plus 8 times half is 4 minus 2 times, okay, minus 2 times half is minus 1. So minus 1 minus half. 4 minus half is 7 over 2. 7 over 2 times this one is 7 over 4. So this one 7 over 4. This one adding 7 over x. 6, 7 over x. It's equal with the 6 times x. 48. 48 plus 7. 5, 1, 5, 55. 55 over 8, everyone. So we can write this one is quotient x, this one is remainder x. Correct me if I am wrong here, okay? So kx, remember that this is the power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. So you can write 8x power 4 minus 2x power 3 minus x squared plus 7 over 2 plus 7 over 4, and then the remainder is 55 over x. Okay, I hope you understand about this one. Please, you need to be diligent to doing here because maybe something wrong in here. Okay, so let's jump to another slide. Number 4, finding the remainder. Okay, theorem. When px is divisible by x minus a, so the remainder is pa. So proof, consider the following division. Px divided by x minus a, you will get the quotient x and then have the rx. So this one is equal with the px equal with the x minus a times kx plus rx. Since the degree x minus a more than degree rx, and then the degree of x minus a equal 1, we can see the degree rx equal 0, and so rx is constant polynomial. So we can say that px equal x minus a times kx plus rx. So you need to put the x to be a, you need to change x to be a, and then you will get the result PA equal RA. Okay, everyone. So now let's jump to the example. Okay, find the remainder when Px equal x power 4 minus 2x power 3 plus 3x is divided by Kx equal x minus 2. Actually, this way you can using two ways. The first, when you want to just find the remainder, we can using the second ways from the previous example. Like this one, you need to put this one x power 4 minus 2x power 3 plus 3x, but you need to put the standard form divided by x minus 2, right? So this one is x power 3, so this one x power 4 minus 2x power 3. So you need to subtract them, you will get the result 3x. So times plus 3, you will get the result 3x minus 6. So minus, so you have this one is the remainder. Okay. And then you will have here, this is not kx, but this one, it should be divisor x. So this one is the quotient x. But this is the second way, you will get the remainder. But we have another way again, using the theorem to find this one. Okay, because we have x minus 2, this is using theorem is equal 0. So you will have x equal 2. So you need to put x to here, px equal with the x minus a times with the quotient x plus the rx, right? So you need to change all the variable x with the 2, or you need to substitute them 2, and then because we want to put this one 2 minus 2 times kx plus rx, right? So this one is P2, it's this one is not R2, but this one is R2, I mean, book, not Rx. So this one is R2. So this is the meaning you should substitute 2, 2, you will get the remainder 2. So this one, you need to substitute them. 2 power 4 minus 2 times 2 power 3 plus 3 times 2 equal with the remainder 2. This one is 0, so this one is 6 equal with the R2. So this is the same result but in different way. I hope you understand. So now let's jump to the another theorem. Theorem, factor theorem. So let Px be a polynomial, then the following statements are true. 1. If Px has a factor x minus a, then Pa equals 0. If Px equals 0, then x minus a is a factor Px. So that's the meaning when you find the equation showing that x minus a is a factor from the Px. So that's the meaning you can make the x minus a equal 0, everyone. And then the conclusion, the first, if a polynomial Px is divisible by x minus a, then Px equal with the 0, you can find the Px equal x minus a times Kx. It's also equal with the Pa times a minus a times Ka equals 0. And then the second, conversely, if Pa equals 0, then Px equal x minus a times Kx. So without further ado, so let's jump to the example. Number 6, find M if x plus 2 is a factor of Px equal x power 5 minus 3x power 3 plus mx minus 2. Remember that from the theorem, if this one, x plus 2, is a factor, just so you can write x plus 2 is equal with the, yes, correct, 0, right? So you can write this one, x equal minus 2, or you can say in like the Zambak's book, they are writing to be x minus 2. So this one is x minus a. So the a is minus 2, everyone. So you can use this one or this one is the same. So after this, you just need to substitute them with the Px. So we need to substitute x equal minus 2 to here. So minus 2 equal with the minus 2 power 5 minus 3x power, this one it should be minus 2. It should be minus 2 power 3 plus m times minus 2 minus 2. Remember that if this one is factor, we can write Pa is equal with the 0. So this one is equal with the, yes, 0. So this one minus 2 power 5 is minus 32. Minus 2 power 3 is 8 times minus 3. Minus 8 minus 3 plus 24. This one minus 2m minus 2 is equal 0. So this one is minus 32 minus 34 minus 10 equal with the 2m. So we have the m equal with the minus 5. So the m is minus 5. I hope you understand now. So let's jump to the another example. Okay, when Px is equal with the 2x power 4 plus ex power 3 minus bx power 2 plus 3x plus 4 is divided by x minus 1, and then the x plus 2, the remainders are 10. Find the remainder when Px is divided by the x plus 1. So from here, we already know if the divisor is x minus 1 equals 0. So we can say x equal with the 1. So we can write here P1 because they have the remainder is different with the previous. If the previous, there is a factor, so that the meaning is equal 0. But here, they have the remainder. So that's the meaning they have the remainders equal 10. How about x plus 2? So x plus 2 equals 0. So x equal with the minus 2. So you can substitute p equal with the minus 2 equal, yes, equal 10. Because they are both 10. And then after this, you just need to substitute them. So to here, so 2 times 1 power 4 plus a times 1 power 3 minus b times 1 power 2 plus 3 times 1 plus 4 is equal with the 10. So here 2 plus a minus b plus 3 plus 4 equal 10. 2, 3, 5, 9. So a minus b equal 10 minus 9. So a minus b equal 1. And then here 2 times minus 2 power 4 plus a minus 2 power 3 minus b minus 2 power 2 plus 3 times minus 2 plus 4, it's equal 10. So this one is equal with the 32, and then minus 8a minus 4b minus 6 plus 4 is equal 10. Minus 8a minus 4b, this one minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 32 minus 2, 30. So this one is equal with the minus 20, everyone. Okay, so from here, you have the first and then you have the second. You need to elimination them to get the what's the value of the a and then what's the value of the b. Okay, now here we want to divide this one by minus 4. Minus x divided by minus 4 is equal with the 2a. This one divided with plus b. This one is equal with the 5. So we want to eliminate between 1 and then 2. So this one a minus b equal 1. And then 2a plus b equal 5. So this one is plus. So this one is 3a equals 6. And then the a 2. We have the a, so we want to substitute them with the a minus b equal 1, 2 minus b equal 1. So this one is 1 equal with the b. So we have the a and then the b, right? So we can write this px equal with the this one 2x power 4 plus we have the a is equal with the 2. So 2x power 3, this one b is the 1 minus 1 minus x power 2 plus 3x plus 4, everyone. So until here, you just have the px, right? So you need to find the remainder px is divided by x plus 2. So you can using the second way or you want to using the synthetic division. It's depend on you, but for me, let me try to answer you using the synthetic division. If you want to using the Horner the second way, it doesn't matter. But wait, let me erase this one. Okay, remember that px in standard form. So we have divided by x plus 1, so we can write x plus 1 is equal 0. So x equal minus 1 divided by and then 2 and then 2 4 3 and then minus 1 and then 3 and then 4. Okay, this one, oh sorry, let me, this one, it should be, oh wait, what's happened? Okay, sorry everyone. So this one is continue. So this one is plus. You need to put here 2 times minus 1 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 1, it's 1. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the remainder here? The remainder is 0. If they're asking about the question is this one is power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. So this one is 2x power 3 minus x plus 4. Okay, I hope you understand. So now let me stop this one first. I will continue to another example. Number 8. 1 px minus 3 is equal with the 4x power 3 plus mx squared minus 2 is divided by x minus 1. The remainder is 5. You need to find the remainder when px plus 2 is divided by x plus 1. Okay, in here they have divided by x minus 1. So we can write to be x minus 1 equals 0. So x equal with the 1. Because this px is divided by x minus 1, its remainder is 5. So we can substitute them to be p1 and then let me x minus 3 is equal with the 4x power 3 plus mx squared minus 2 it's equal with the 5. Why the 5? Because the remainder is 5. And then you just need to substitute 1 for the each variable x. 1 power 3 plus m times 1 power 2 minus 2 it's equal with the 5. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So m equal 3, right? So you get the m equal with the 3. So you will get the px minus 3 is equal with the 4x power 3 plus 3x squared minus 2. Now we want to find px plus 2 is divided by x plus 1. Px plus 2 divided by x plus 1, everyone. So x plus 1, it's equal with the 0, right? X equal with the minus 1. And then you need to substitute this one to be px plus 2. So this one is equal p minus 1 plus 2. It's equal with the p1. So we need to find what is the p1. So the next step, we should decide what's the value of x max equal with the p1. So here, we want to make the x minus 3, it's equal with the 1 because we want to know what's the x there. So here, x equal with the 4. So we substitute again to p x minus 3, 4x power 3 plus 3x power 2 minus 2. And then you need to substitute 4 because we want to find the p1, right? So 4 minus 3 is equal with the 4 times 4 power 3 plus 3 times 4 power 2 minus 2, I mean. So this one is p1. It's equal with the 4 power 4 plus 3 4 power 2 minus 2. So this result is equal with the 302. So we can say that if px plus 2 divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 302. Okay, remainder is 302. I hope you understand. So now let's jump to the another example. When px is divided by x plus 1 and then x minus 2, the remainder are 2 and minus 3 respectively. You need to find the remainder when px is divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2. Okay, so we can write here x plus 1 is equal 0. So x equal with minus 1. So you need to substitute to px. So p minus 1, the remainder is, yes, the remainder is 2. And then the x minus 2 equals 0. So the x equal with the 2. So the p2 it's equal with the minus 3. Now, we have this. And then we want to find px is divided by this one. So when we multiply this one is to be quadratic polynomial, right? The purpose to here. Remember the formula since the beginning we talked. Px is equal with the divisions times the equation x plus rx. Okay, the reminders. Okay, remember here we have the px divided by x plus 1 times x minus 2 times the px. Because they are in quadratic form polynomial, so rx is to be equal with the linear. They will be decrease the degree by 1. Okay, so we have mean 2 p minus 1. So this one is equal with the minus 1 plus 1 times minus 1 minus 2 times k minus 1 plus a minus 1 plus b. So this one is a 0. So we can write p minus 1 is equal with the minus a plus b. So p minus 1 is 2. So 2 equal with the minus a plus b. So this is the first linear. So we need to find the second linear. Okay. So the second is the same to find like this one. P2 is equal with the 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2 times the key 2 plus 2a plus b. So this one is a 0. So P2 is minus 3. So this one is 2a plus b. This is the second linear. So from here, we need to eliminate them to get the value, right? What's the a and then 1 and then 2 we need to eliminate to be minus a plus b equal with the 2 and then 2a plus b equal with the minus 3. So we eliminate them. So this one is equal with the minus 3a equal with the 5. Right? So the a equal with the minus 5 over 3. And then we want to find the b. So 2 equal with the minus 5 over 3 plus b. So we can write 2 minus 5 over 3 equal b. So we get the b 1 over 3. Because they're asking about reminders, since the beginning we're talking about the remainder, the degree is this less than. So this one remainder is the form ex plus b. So the a is minus 5 over 3a. The b is 1. Oh, sorry, this one is not a, but it should be x. Okay, so this one is minus 5 over 3x plus 1 over 3. So this is remainder. So remember everyone, if you find the asking the about the quadratic, so the remainder is about polynomial. If the remainder is polynomial, so if the divisor is the quadratic, so the remainder is to be linear. But if the remainder is the linear, so the divisor is divisor is linear, so the remainder is the just constant. Okay, I hope you understand everyone. Okay, this is the last about dividing polynomial is finding the remainder of division by x power n plus a. In order to find the remainder when px is divided by x power n minus a, you need to substitute a for x power n. Let us look at the some example. Find the remainder when px is equal with the x power 6 minus 2x power 5 plus 5x squared plus 4 is divided by x squared minus 2. Remember, if the formula for px is equal with the dx times the equation x plus the remainder x. Okay, so from here px is, and then the dx is x squared minus 2 times the key x plus the rx. Okay, x squared minus 2 we can, because this one is the remainder, so x squared minus 2 is equal 0, so the x squared is equal with the 2, right? So you need to substitute them with this one. So we can write again px is equal to x power 2 power 3 minus 2 x power 2 squared times x plus 5x squared plus 4. Okay, so you substitute what's the value here. So this one is 2 power 3. This one, if I substitute, this one is 0. So this one is, this is the rx. Px is equal with the rx. So this one minus 2 power 2 times x plus 5 times 2 plus 4 This one is equal with the 8 minus 8x. This one is rx, and then plus 10 plus 4. So this one is equal 1422. So this one minus 8x plus 22. So this is the way how to find the remainder if divided the x power n minus 2. So I hope you understand, everyone. So everyone, thank you so much for today. I hope you understand what I'm explaining right now. Please let me know if you not understand or something wrong in this video. Please let me know in the comment. And then please do your task on GCR, Google Classroom. So guys, please do your task, okay? So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.